So this is called as D. Okay. So next one, make a line, vertical line, a C and a circle. One more time, make a line, a C and a circle. You make a line, a vertical line, a C and a circle. You make a line, a C and a circle. This is one of the hardest pronunciation that I have so far seen with the people struggling, like English, American, London, and like people, British people, like American people, German people. I've seen many people struggling in this pronunciation. So let's learn. So this is dh, dh. So you have to curl the tongue and you have to aspirate as well. So it's dh, 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 dh. So like practice more for this one. Dh. Next one. So you make a like a half circle towards the horizontal line and a vertical line. Half circle towards the horizontal line and a vertical line. Half circle towards the horizontal line and a vertical line. So this one is nasal and it's called ana. Ana. So nasal is nothing but the air is going through the nose. So it's like ana, ana, ana. So we learned the th, the ana. Okay. So retroflex is nothing but you have to curl your tongue and touch your heart with that, let is roof of your tongue, and then place it down. And while pronouncing the letter, so it's t, t. So the first one is t, second one is th, third one is d, fourth one is dh, fifth one is ana, ana. Okay, then we're gonna resume our lesson in the next one. And I hope you to practice the letters and make some. Ta-da.